Hello children, welcome back to our channel. My name is Benti and today we are going to try some science experiment to learn the concept of air pressure. I know this is little early for you all, but we will be doing this in a fun way so that you can enjoy it and would surely get amazed with the beauty of science. We actually don't need any special tool or equipment to do this. Now, let's get started.
For the first experiment, we need a tray, tissue paper, some glasses, candle, matchstick and some water. We need to make that tissue wet and then place it in the tray. Now, on the wet tissue, we need to put a candle and light it. And now see the beauty. So, what happens here is that the fire uses all the oxygen available in the glass, and once it consumes all the available oxygen, the flame extinguishes. The hot air now cools down and starts contracting and tries to pull the wet napkin, which creates a suction and the glass gets stuck with a tray. The outside air pressure is more and there is a vacuum in the glass. So the glass can now lift the tray. The force is so strong that even if we put some more weight on the tray, the glass able to lift all up. This is the same thing as the suction hooks. Or in a similar way, we can just tell them that this happens because of the air pressure difference inside and outside the glass. For the second experiment, we need a glass bottle, a boiled egg and matchsticks. Select 2 matchsticks and put them inside the bottle. Then place the egg on top. Here again, when the matchstick stops burning, the hot air tries to cool down, which creates contractions and then sucks the egg inside the bottle. It looks like some magical force is pulling the egg inside.
Okay students, that's all for this session. Meet you next time. Till then, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.